breaking news that's coming in a big relief and victory to Republic TV. The Karnataka High Court has granted a stay on all proceedings that had been initiated and an FIR that had been initiated by the Karnataka police against our Editor-in-Chief Arnab Goswami. An FIR that was stating that there are certain sections against which an inquiry and investigation needs to be done. An FIR that also stated, that had been also stated by the Congress party 2 days ago, which wanted an investigation to be done on the Republic TV for certain details that had been given out about the certain details that had been given out on what really transpired and whether the Congress party had an office in Turkey. Now, I just want to go through details about what happened, but first I want to take our viewers through what happened in the court today. An FIR was first filed on the 20th of May against our Editor-in-Chief Arnab Goswami along with some people. This was filed against bailable sections 352 of the BNS. This is a bailable section. Today, a notice was served on us. That notice was served under non-bailable sections. This is clear that there was tampering of what happened 2 days ago and now. The big victory came in from the Karnataka High Court that was hearing the quashing plea that had been filed by Republic TV before them, when our lawyer Aruna Shyam, senior advocate, told the Karnataka High Court this was tampering and this was not correct. Immediately taking in charge of what really happened, the court said there should be a stay of all the proceedings, and in a big relief to Republic TV, I would say in a victory to Republic TV, the Karnataka High Court today has granted a stay and all the criminal proceedings that were to be beginning with that FIR. The next date will be next month. But the larger issues that need to be answered here and questioned here is why and how did the Karnataka police tamper with this FIR? The first FIR, the certified copy that was achieved by Republic TV and acquired by Republic TV earlier, had stated these are bailable sections which are 352 of the BNS. Then when the notice was served to us, and it is very surprising, viewers, to tell our viewers, and we'll reveal to our viewers, there were 8 to 9 Karnataka police personnel right here at the very office that I'm standing at Republic TV headquarters to serve one notice. Usually when a notice has to be served, there is just one police officer who will come and give that notice. But for this one notice, the very might of the Congress state was being used, and there was a team of 8 to 9 people who were present in different spots to give one notice. That notice was under sections of a non-bailable offence under the code. And that is what was told by our senior advocate, Mr. Aruna Shyam, to the Karnataka High Court. When these facts were made aware to the court, and this is a vacation bench sitting of the Karnataka High Court, they immediately granted a stay and said all these proceedings, all this investigation needs to stop. The larger picture is also why the Congress is trying to hound us. All the cases are being done only on the basis of what Republic TV has reported when it comes to statements that have been made in the aftermath of Operation Sindoor on the Congress having a Turkish office. Remember, viewers, this is a fact. It happened in 2019 that possibly the Congress opened this office. It is not only us who have said this, but all other channels. But I'm going to also take you through the facts of this case. But before that, I want to tell you, they had put this notice on us on the basis of something on which we have already issued a corrigendum. There was some digital error of 3 to 4 seconds when some wrong picture had gone. On the basis of that picture, this entire notice had come to us. We had already apologized to it. We went with a very strong case to the court. But what is very surprising is that the alacrity with which they moved and came to the capital today from Bangalore, a team came to us, they came to Delhi, and they tried to once again harass us, hound us, and try and intimidate.